My name's Brandon Colopy. I work for Landmark Grading. I'm a project superintendent and been with the company approximately 10 years. Been using machine control for about 2 years. At first I was skeptic about the machine control because I was old school. I was used to setting my own fill poles, pulling tapes for my stakes. But since I've started using it, I love it because it takes away all the set and fill poles. I got the plans right there at my fingertips, on the screen, and don't need the surveyor no more. Don't have to worry about knocking out a stake and him coming to put it back. It's all right there. I can knock it out as many times as I want. It's still there. That's what I like about it. You know, you got your model built, you plug it in there, and it's the exact same thing as the plan. A lot of times when you're filling in these areas, you don't quite have enough good material where you need the good material. Well, with this, you know exactly where you need to be. I would say it's a huge time savings. I've seen production since I've used it go up tremendously, especially in our dirt moving. I don't even know the number, but it's dramatic. So we got a new machine at the company, and I was told that we were getting the newest system, which is on cab, no mast, total freedom of your blade, and been running that for a few weeks now, and I absolutely love it. That was one of the biggest things with me when I first got on it, was the obstruction. It was always an obstruction, even if it's single mast or dual mast. And doing away with that, it's like being back to the original with everything at your fingers. There's nothing there, no obstructions. You can get close to the trees and you don't have to worry about busting your mast off. We've had incidents where guys have hit the mast on our single mast machine and busted the receiver and bent the mast. Biggest deal with the mast not being there is it is a safety issue. When the machine's wet, you get up here and try to put your receivers on. A lot of guys slip and fall, and that's how a lot of guys get hurt. So with that being gone and up there, you don't even have to deal with it no more. You got to climb on this slippery blade, just climb in the machine and put your screen on and go to work. This new setup, I think, is going to be the real deal.